Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you how to make a quick Chinese beef stir fry. It is packed with flavor, tender beef, and a silky sauce that goes perfectly with rice. Let's begin. We are starting with thinly sliced beef. Slice against the grain so the meat stays tender and soft when cooked. To marinate the beef, I am adding soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and a little oyster sauce. I am also going to add some cornstarch, sugar, and some baking powder. This marinade will make the beef flavorful and will give it that restaurant style smooth texture. Mix everything together and let it rest for 10 minutes. Next, heat your pan or wok till it's hot, add a little oil and toss in the beef. Cook the beef till it turns brown. Remove it from the pan to avoid overcooking. Next, go in with your vegetables. I am using bell peppers, onions, minced garlic, and black pepper. Mix together for 1 to 2 minutes. You want the vegetable to stay crisp and vibrant. Return the beef to the pan and add your stir-fry sauce. For this sauce, I combine together soy sauce, oyster sauce, sesame oil, cornstarch, and water. All the ingredients for the sauce will be listed out in the description box below. Cook everything for another minute until the sauce thickens and your Chinese beef stir fry is ready. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.